Today, I'm going to show you how to view credits Amazon offers. This is particularly useful if you've earned promotional credits through No Rush Shipping or other rewards programs and want to check your balance before making a purchase. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, scroll down through the different sections until you locate No Rush Rewards Summary. This option might be nestled among other account features, so take your time scanning through the page. When you find it, click on it to open your rewards overview. You'll now see your total rewards or credit balances displayed on the screen. This summary includes all available promotional credits such as video credits, ebook credits, and any other rewards you've accumulated. The page consolidates everything in one convenient location, making it easy to track what's available to you. Here's what makes this particularly helpful. These credits apply automatically at checkout when you purchase eligible items. You don't need to manually enter codes or activate them separately. Amazon will recognize your available credits and apply them to qualifying purchases, which means you can shop knowing exactly what promotional balance you have waiting to be used. This direct path works seamlessly on desktop browsers as of 2026 and gives you a comprehensive view of all your credits in one spot, eliminating the need to search through multiple pages or settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.